This is the heart. Yeah. I took it out of the freezer a few days ago. I put that in, and I'm gonna put it on like a slow cook for 3 hours. Yeah, so I put some broth in there, and what else I do? Like a half cup of water and two cloves of garlic and some olive oil. So press this button, and what I usually do is go to manual mode. We're going to go up to 203 degrees for 8 hours, but we're not doing 8 hours. We're just like, we'll cook for 3 hours or something. That smoke detector will go off. Get that warmed up pretty good. There we go. So yeah, I'll just mix these in and put more spices in. Put garlic in, olive oil. I'm going to put some turmeric in. Alright, this is the final. So we'll put a little bit of red hot sauce, Cholula. Yeah, we're only like 15 minutes in, but this thing does really well. That's the other point. Is like, this is Valentine's Day, it's red, and we're cooking a heart. And heart is really good for you. You know, on all different levels of nutrients and stuff like that. So have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving and peace, everyone. I've already removed this tremola system. I've never seen one of these before, but it's basically just that's the spring and everything, and there's a bunch of adjustments on it, and it's got the locking nut up here, and the nut looks good on it. Just start polishing it up. I'll start using this Dunlop 65